8.3 is going to walk us through how to differentiate sine and cosine. So from the work that we've seen above, if we have the sine function and we differentiate it, we get the cosine function. If we have the cosine function and we differentiate it, we get the negative of the sine function. So just remember, sines go to cosines, and cosines don't quite go back to sines, they go to negative sines. So when I differentiate 2 minus sine of x, the 2 differentiates to 0. The minus sine of x differentiates to minus cosine of x. When I differentiate x cubed minus cosine of x, this is now 3x squared plus a sine of x, because the cosine of x differentiates to a negative sine of x. When we differentiate 3 sine of x, we get a 3 cosine of x. When we differentiate the cosine of x, we get a minus sine of x, or sorry, sine of 4x, because we differentiate the cosine function, and the 4x just happens to be sitting inside of it. And then now by the chain rule, the derivative of 4x is that 4. That's why I left the space there. And d, the derivative of sine divided by cosine, we have a quotient rule here. So low d high minus high d low. So the derivative of cosine is negative sine all over a low, low. All right, cleaning this up, cosine squared plus sine squared, that's always equal to 1. And 1 over cosine squared is, if you remember, that's the secant function squared, right? Secant is 1 over cosine.